PiNetwork is a new cryptocurrency. It is easy to mine on your phone. Dr. Nicholas Kokkalis created PiNetwork. He wanted to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. Dr. Kokkalis is a Stanford PhD. He teaches about blockchain. Dr. Kokkalis believes in Pi's potential. He sees a future where everyone can use cryptocurrency. PiNetwork aims to be the most used cryptocurrency globally. It focuses on ease of use and accessibility. PiNetwork has seen price fluctuations. It recently experienced a price surge. This followed a period of decline. The price is now consolidating. This means it is trading within a range. The current price is around 56 cents. This is down from its recent high. However, it is still up significantly from its all-time low. The price movement reflects market volatility. It also shows growing interest in PiNetwork. Market sentiment towards Pi is mixed. Some investors are skeptical. They have concerns about its centralized nature. Others are optimistic. They believe in its potential for mass adoption. The recent price surge generated excitement. However, some see it as a temporary pump. They believe the price will correct further. Others see it as the start of an upward trend. They are optimistic about Pi's future. Technical analysis provides insights into price movements. By studying past price data, traders can identify patterns and make informed decisions about future market behavior. One of the most fundamental concepts in technical analysis is the identification of support and resistance levels. Support and resistance levels are key indicators. They help traders understand where the price of an asset might find difficulty moving higher or lower. These levels are often used to make trading decisions, set stop-loss orders, and determine entry and exit points. Support is a price level where buying pressure is strong. When the price of an asset falls to a support level, it often bounces back up because buyers are willing to purchase at that price. This creates a floor that the price has difficulty falling below. Resistance is a price level where selling pressure is strong. When the price of an asset rises to a resistance level, it often falls back down because sellers are willing to sell at that price. This creates a ceiling that the price has difficulty breaking through. PiNetwork has a support level around 50 cents. This means that historically, when the price of PiNetwork has fallen to 50 cents, it has found enough buying interest to prevent it from falling further. This level has held firm in recent dips. Each time the price has approached 50 cents, buyers have stepped in, creating a strong support level that has been tested multiple times. If this support breaks, the price could fall further. A break below the support level indicates that the buying pressure is no longer strong enough to hold the price up, which could lead to a significant decline. PiNetwork faces resistance around 70 cents. This means that historically, when the price of PiNetwork has risen to 70 cents, it has encountered enough selling interest to prevent it from rising further. Breaking through this level could signal further price increases. If the price manages to rise above the resistance level, it indicates that the selling pressure is no longer strong enough to hold the price down, which could lead to a significant upward movement. Section 5. Technical Analysis, RSI and Elliott Wave Patterns. RSI and Elliott Wave Patterns are technical indicators. RSI measures the strength of price movements. Elliott Wave Theory suggests that prices move in predictable waves. PiNetwork's RSI is currently around 48.5. This suggests that the market is neither overbought nor oversold. The Elliott wave pattern suggests a potential bottoming formation. This could indicate a future price increase. Section 6. Dr. Kokkalis explains Pi's official price. Dr. Kokkalis recently addressed the PI community in a highly anticipated live stream. The event drew thousands of viewers from around the world, all eager to hear the latest updates on Pi's development and its official price. During his address, Dr. Kokkalis delved into the intricacies of Pi's official price. He provided a comprehensive overview explaining how the price is not arbitrarily set, but is influenced by a variety of factors. One of the key points he made was that the current price of Pi is determined by market forces. This means that the price is influenced by the collective actions of buyers and sellers in the market. Dr. Kokkalis emphasized the significant role of supply and demand in determining Pi's price. When demand for Pi increases and supply remains limited, the price tends to rise. Conversely, if supply exceeds demand, the price may fall. He also highlighted that Pi is still in its early stages of development. This means that the ecosystem is still growing and many factors that could influence the price are still evolving. Given this early stage, Dr. Kokkalis noted that the price of Pi is expected to fluctuate. These fluctuations are a natural part of the growth process for any new technology or cryptocurrency. Despite these fluctuations, Dr. Kokkalis expressed a strong belief in the long-term potential of Pi. He believes that as the network grows and more people adopt the technology, the true value of Pi will become more apparent. This increase in adoption is crucial. As more users join the Pi network and utilize its features, the utility and value of Pi are expected to grow, leading to a more stable and potentially higher price in the future. Section 7. Future plans for Pi network. Dr. Kokkalis outlined exciting future plans for Pi network. These include expanding the Pi ecosystem. This involves developing new applications and utilities. The goal is to make Pi more useful in everyday life. Another focus is on increasing mainstream adoption. This includes onboarding more users and merchants. The team is also working on exchange listings. These initiatives aim to make Pi more accessible and valuable. Section 8. Partnerships and market catalyst for Pi. PiNetwork is actively forming partnerships. These collaborations aim to enhance Pi's utility and reach. A recent example is the partnership with Toncoin. This collaboration aims to integrate PiNetwork with the Telegram messaging app. Such partnerships are crucial for Pi's growth. They can introduce Pi to a wider audience. They can also drive adoption and increase demand. These are all positive catalysts for Pi's price. Section 9. Conclusion. A positive outlook for PiNetwork. PiNetwork has the potential to revolutionize finance. By leveraging blockchain technology, it aims to create a decentralized and inclusive financial ecosystem. This could democratize access to financial services, making it easier for people around the world to participate in the global economy. The vision behind PiNetwork is to build a platform that is not only secure and efficient, but also user-friendly, ensuring that even those with limited technical knowledge can benefit from it. It offers an easy and accessible way to participate in the cryptocurrency revolution. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require significant computational power and energy consumption, PiNetwork allows users to mine Pi coins through a simple mobile app. This approach not only reduces the barrier to entry, but also promotes sustainability. Users can mine Pi without draining their phone's battery or using excessive data, making it a practical option for everyday use. While challenges and uncertainties remain, the future looks promising. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, and PiNetwork is no exception. However, with a strong community and a clear vision, Pi has the potential to navigate these challenges successfully. The development team is continuously working on improving the platform, addressing security concerns, and expanding its features to meet the needs of its growing user base. The key to Pi's success lies in community engagement. A dedicated and active community can drive the adoption and growth of the network. By participating in the PiNetwork, users are not just mining cryptocurrency, they are contributing to the development of a new financial system. Community members can engage in various activities such as validating transactions, providing feedback, and spreading the word about Pi, all of which are crucial for the network's success. The more people use and believe in Pi, the stronger it becomes. Trust and adoption are fundamental to the success of any cryptocurrency. As more users join the network and use Pi for transactions, its value and utility will increase. This network effect can create a positive feedback loop, attracting even more users and further strengthening the ecosystem. The PiNetwork's emphasis on security and user experience also plays a significant role in building this trust. As the community grows and the ecosystem expands, PiNetwork is well positioned for a bright future. The ongoing development of new features and partnerships will enhance the platform's capabilities and provide more value to its users. With a strong foundation and a clear roadmap, PiNetwork has the potential to become a major player in the cryptocurrency space, offering a viable alternative to traditional financial systems and paving the way for a more inclusive and decentralized future.